Presentation about the installation and implementation of Key2Publish. Run the setup. First you download the Key2Publish installation program and complete the setup. Register as a user. If you just have installed Key2Publish on your computer, this window will appear, and you have to register as a user. Click on Register and fill in the form. If you use the basic version, you have to leave the company registration code field empty. If the registration is successful, you will get an email with your login details. You can use them to start Key2Publish. So now we enter, only once, the username and password. And click on Activate. Key2Publish is now opened and almost ready for use. To work with Key2Publish you have to have data in Key2Publish. It's possible to enter product after product manual, but that's very time-consuming and error-prone. To minimize manual input, Key2Publish allows you to import data from external sources. This version has the following import possibilities to choose from: import from a file, import from a K2Z file, import from a webshop, importing data from a K2Z file. As for importing data using the Key2Publish, K2Z file is the most easiest option. You can import offline and online K2Z files. You do not have to perform any additional actions in order to use the data from such a file. It is plug and play. K2Z files can be created with Key2Publish by saving the current dataset. Importing CSV, TXT and XML files. In order to get data from files, there should be set how to interpret the data from those files. This is done in an import script. You can download import scripts from the Key2Publish marketplace, or make one yourself using the wizard. Import data from a webshop. With Key2Publish you also have the ability to import data from webshops. To do that you have to place a Key2Publish extension folder in your webshop, using a FTP program. The next steps are that you select a webshop system, go to Settings and enter at the Input Settings, the URL and the username and password of the admin of the webshop. If the extension directory is placed in the shop and the settings are completed, you can import the data from the shop. Setting up the web export. Setting up the web export is almost identical to that of setting up the import. The Key2Publish extension folder has to be placed in the main folder of the shop. This is exactly the same folder as used at the shop import. So if it's already placed, there is no need to place it again. If we go to the Web Shop Export tab and we get this message, it means that no web export is set yet. So the next step is that you go to the Export Settings. Select the webshop type and enter a name you want to use in the drop-down menu, the URL and the username and password of the admin of the webshop where you want to export to. After you have saved the settings, the webshop name will show up in the drop-down menu and you are ready to export to the shop. Setting up the file export. Here you see a file which is generated with the Key2Publish file export. The structure of these files can be specified in a configuration file. The user can organize the file structure. To do that he has among others the following options. Set which data goes in which column, naming the column names. Merge columns with or without a delimiter, like here the ID and the name separated by a line sign. Placing empty columns and determine how the group structure is shown. If you want to change the layout, from an output file you have to alter the export to file config file. To find that file go to the Windows Explorer, type %appdata% and click on Enter. Choose the folder Key2Publish. After that, you choose the folder config. If you want to change the layout, you have to alter the XML file, named export to file. But before you do that, it's wise to make a backup. If that's done, open the file with an editor like Notepad. The file is now opened in Notepad++. Between the tags configurations, you find the file export scripts. In this case, there is still only one. By adding and modifying these scripts, you can set your file export capabilities. A new script can be added by adjusting an existing script, or pasting a ready script you can find at the Key2Publish marketplace, or by writing your own script. In the drop-down menu we also see that there is still one script. We are going to add a new one by pasting a ready script in the file export configuration file. We have copied a script from the marketplace and now we paste it in this file. And here we see that the new script is added. Something we also can see in the file output drop-down menu, where the new file export script is added. The PDF export. The PDF export module comes with two basic scripts. The user can adjust them via an online portal. Such a script determines the design of your PDF output. If you are looking for another output, we ask you to email an example to us. We will see what should be done to get a matching script for you. The InDesign export. The InDesign module comes with a basic script and template, which can be customized. The script and template determines the design of your InDesign output. If you are looking for another output, please email an example to us. We will see what should be done to get a matching script for you. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your interest. Please check our website or contact us for more information.